Hey, what's going on, guys? Burly here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the garage. 4K. Hey, we upgraded our camera. Now we just got to upgrade the audio. We did buy a Panasonic G7 so that we can shoot these videos in 4K. But that's not the purpose of our video today. My buddy James from Canada said to me the other day in a message on Facebook that he was sending a gift. He's PC Mods Canada on the social medias. I'll put a link down in the video description so you guys can go check him out. Make sure to leave him a follow and a like. But he said that Cooler Master is doing some of their like Secret Santa holiday giveaways and prizes. So this is a secret stocking. This came yesterday, and I think we waited about a week or so for it to get here. This cost $20 originally plus shipping, and we'll see what's in it. So let's go ahead, guys. Here we go. Alright, guys, here's the box. We can see just a brown box. This box weighs 3 pounds. Can't see my address. Haha. Let's go ahead and grab, or excuse me for a second, camera. You're in your way. I have a little razor blade here. We'll go ahead and cut this box open. Here it goes. The final reveal. I have a couple of thoughts of what this item can be. Like I said, the box only weighs 3 pounds shipped, so we'll go ahead and see what we got here. So here we go, the final reveal. Packaging. Just kidding. Inside this packaging, we have oh, cool. So this is the Cooler Master Master Pulse Stereo Surround Sound headset. There's a picture of it here. This is cool because I just broke my headset, so this works out very well. Here in English, we can see that it says groundbreaking audio experience, patented BFX technology, exclusive bass, inline remote control, easy carrying mobility, extreme comfort. Gaming headset, just multiple languages here. This is pretty sweet. So not bad for $20. Opening the little flap here. Mind the glare. There she is. On top, it looks like it's got 44mm drivers, 2.0 audio. So Omni mic directional directivity. So there she is. Let's go ahead and crack her open. Where's that razor blade? So this was not one of the items I thought it was going to be. I knew that it couldn't be a power supply because power supply is much heavier. I knew that it couldn't be a keyboard because of the shape of the box. Headset was not even on my item. Wasn't even in my wheelhouse. I kind of thought it was going to be a mouse or a cooler. Cooler Master just came out with their new Hyper 212 all black with RGB cooler. So there she is. The packaging is very nice. I enjoy this packaging a lot. Taking it out of its little shell, we have, I'll set this aside real fast. Underneath the box we have a pamphlet here. Inside the pamphlet it just has you know, just your basic instruction manual. Plug it in and you're good to go. So not too shabby here. Let's go ahead and set this aside. Pull this guy's out. Oh. Flip it around, we could see that they have a couple of anchor points. Burly's going to just try to burly them out, you know, end up breaking something, because that's what he does. Let's go ahead here, undo these little bread ties, twist ties, what do you guys call them? It's kind of hard to do. Keep it on camera. Struggle is real. Okay, and one more. There we go. And we're loose. Go ahead and throw that aside as well. So here we go. Cooler Master on the side there. These are like a nice plastic, aluminum, I'm assuming, outlines here. Hello camera, please. Thank you. Right connectivity cord here. We have the backless headset. Oh, that one came with it. Excuse me. And then somewhere in here is a microphone. Nice big cushions. I mean, look at these things. So squishy. Can't wait to put those on. Kind of coming down here, we see Inline Controls here. Looks like we could just peel that or pull that apart. So Inline Controls here, we have volume up, volume down. Go ahead and zoom in, I'll show you guys. Excuse my hand. Volume up, volume down. It's a scroll wheel here. And then we have what looks like a microphone on-off switch. Microphone on-off switch there. And then more cable here. This guy ends up splitting from 1 3.5 into 2. So we can go ahead and run audio and mic right there off of the off your computer. So these are not... I've got the focus all sorts of messed up now. What did you do, Burly? It's on autofocus, so not entirely sure what it's focusing on. I messed it up. It's still broken. Still learning how to use this camera, but we can see 2 3.5 millimeter connectors here for microphone and headphones, and yeah, so there they are. We'll go ahead and do a more in-depth review here of them shortly. Adjustability is via the backless here, and let's go ahead and conclude this video, guys. I hope you appreciate it. I apologize that it's been so long. 2019 is going to be a big year for this channel. We're going to go ahead and try to get some more in-depth reviews done. I am currently been picked up by proclockers.com to do reviews for them, so we're looking forward to many items coming through the channel so that we can go ahead and make some more videos for you. So guys, don't forget to follow me on social media, and we'll see you guys on the next one.